What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raking Profit, and I think I'm getting scammed on eBay, and I wanted to share something that has just recently happened. I found out from my prep center. If you guys, haven't been following my channel for a while, I'm a 7-figure Amazon seller. I buy all my products on eBay and then flip them on Amazon. I'm not drop shipping. I'm literally buying the physical products. They get shipped to a logistics company that pretty much receives everything, and then they put everything in a box and ship it to Amazon FBA. So in the last year, I've sold close to 10,000 products for over $1.1 million. And I think I'm getting scammed for the first time this situation has occurred. And I've been doing this for over 5.5 years. I've sold almost $5 million. So essentially what happened is I got an email today from my prep center, Frank, over at Little Owl Prep. And he sent me a picture, and he actually sent me 2 emails. It happened twice where I ordered one of those, those big commercial doors, how they have like the big metal hinges on the corner. I sell a lot of those. They're very expensive. They sell for like $400 to $500. Well, I ordered a bunch of those, and what the seller did is they shipped a poly mailer, a little tiny one, a little like 7x10, 8x10 poly mailer, and it was empty, and all that was inside of it was a note. And I'll put the picture right here so you can actually see the picture of what he sent me, but it's just a note that said something like, "Sorry, the item's going to be coming in a day or two." And I was like, what the heck is going on? And it literally happened twice from the same seller. The seller's name, I think, is like Peace on Earth. You could probably see it from the eBay label. But man, I don't know. That's not bringing me much peace. That's making me very worried because this is a very expensive order. Now, what I think is happening, and I need your guys' help, leave a comment down below. What I think is happening is this person I think they're drop shipping this item to me, and maybe it's going to arrive late. So in order for their metrics to not get hurt, they're mailing me a poly mailer with the shipping label so the tracking shows on time. I mean, that's risky business because, I don't think eBay is going to be a huge fan of that when I reach out to customer support. I mean, this is a very expensive order. Now, I haven't investigated fully if I purchase from this seller, what their feedback is, but my team, I have a team in the Philippines that buys everything. They're very, well trained in terms of only buying from sellers with good feedback. And the tool that we use to purchase, Refund Catcher, which is how we find all of our deals on eBay to flip on Amazon. I'm sorry, I'm kind of climbing a little hill. I'm running out of breath. You could filter out like bad sellers and sellers that only have a certain amount of feedback, so on and so forth. But this is the first time that it's ever happened. I'm curious, if you were in my shoes, what would you do? Do you think this is a scam? Or do you think they're just trying to protect themselves and it's going to show up in a couple of days? Again, I flipped like over 40,000 products from eBay to Amazon for almost $5 million. I've never seen this before. Should I open up a case with eBay? That's what I'm assuming I should do and send them a picture. But what would you do? I'm curious. Again, just a short video. I think I'm getting scammed, but I need your guys' help. What would you do? What do you think's happening? And has this ever happened to you? I'd be very, very curious. Again, surprisingly, out of the tens of thousands of items that I've bought from eBay to flip on Amazon, I don't think I've ever gotten scammed before. Now, I have had like some items show up damaged, and I've had to return items for various reasons. Maybe they send the wrong item, or they send, I don't know. Just there's different situations that can occur, but it feels like a straight up scam. So let me know. I'm curious. Drop a comment down below. Appreciate you guys. Much love. And I'm going to keep enjoying this beautiful day. Take care.